Yeah. And there's ants there.
Yes,
Go.
there is
Farm ways.
now you eating now. Just go make we go small.
More go now.
Can we go? Oh, walk now.
I'll climb. Favor, come on, climb. Favor, come on, enter machine. Hey.
Night bell.
Favor. Oh yeah, come on, enter. Daddy, see this place. Say peace. Are the money? Thank you. So at this point we wait for Favor. Favor is not around yet, so wait for him. He's just coming. Fish. On a heist. So we just landed our destination, passing through the pathway straight to the farm, you know. With me. Spotters! Where are your rays? Ahoo! Ahoo!
Are you wrong? Yeah.
And there's ants there.
Yes, there is bend the phone and video me like that. Guy. Yeah. Guy. Don't follow me, go that bush. Hang on.
Can I go down this thing? I don't go down tree.
At this point of my life, guy. Ants, like soldier ants, guy. Where's my shoe? See. Guy.
Why did they block it?
3, 4. 3, 4. So you. Yeah,
There's bead here.
and then I'll get 3. I bet let me pass. There's big here.
Guy, I can hear some sound like doing zzz.
There's big here.
Guy, please, you guys should. My dad said keep quiet so that they will not make noise. Guy, look at them there, like they are there. See them.
Look at them.
See them.
Look at them.
Guy, they are there. See them. Yes.
You don't see them there? There. Sky, please just look up. Now they talk.
See them there.
Look at them. They are going. Look at them.
They are going. Yes.
They are going. Look at them.
Shh. Shut up.
They are going. When I saw they talk. See how they play. Maybe they know they just come. When I let us go. Always our meet place.
So, reached the farm and we're about to start to work. Well, we'll be clearing where we want to plant yam, you know. Like just all this place. Say hi. Daddy.
You let her reach ground.
Say hi. Wave now.
Let her reach ground. Let her
Wave.
reach ground. The cotton they
Say
use this,
say hi.
Say they use this. That like say they use oh.
Say bye bye. Yeah. Finally, you know. Okay. Eh? Uh-huh. What's that? What's that? There's actually a blockage. We know what today inside. We go
Okay. If I'm blockage, that you will use and scatter around.
Okay.
Just the dig am. Around.
Just the dig am. Wait. Put this stick inside. Let me see.
The ground is
Put the inside. Knock the hole. Let me see. Knock am, man. See. Knock am. Chook am inside. Chook am.
where the blockage?
Chook it.
See, look at it. The blockage.
Yes.
Dig and reach the dig and wide.
Fortunately, there is nothing. Let's go. Bye bye. I leave you there. It does record by itself. At this time, we'll be going. We're done. And peace. So I say peace. Peace. There is P. I say peace. Peace. I'll find that. Daddy, say peace. We're going home. Pew, pew.